Alright, surprise tutorial. Due to today having a little bit more of a modified schedule, I just so happened to have 2 hours more time today, and I decided to dedicate some of this time to a tutorial because I've gotten a request to do. Hold on, let me show you exactly what to do. And when this and with this I want to do a more in-depth tutorial of and a more in-depth version of the first tutorial I've done so far. So wait, hold on. Menu backgrounds of this kind of thing. So how do you do these? It's actually nothing to it. It's really nothing to it. Let's just say, for example, you want a frame of boyfriend and a frame of daddy dearest doing that. Let's just first you go to the source code that you presumably have downloaded, because I probably linked it somewhere in one of my videos. I don't know, maybe I'll link it here too, we'll see about that. Anyway, you go to art, flash files, and it's daddy dearest. Now this one here, we're gonna do a little something. We're gonna do a little boo-boo. We're gonna take one of Daddy Dearest's idle frames. Why not? We're gonna take his. Actually, we're gonna take his right frame. We could even take his left because he only has one frame on the left animation, so that would just be easier. But I'm gonna tend to generalize this one a little bit, so let's take one that has a little more. Oh my god, it's not responding. Okay, cool. So there's please work. There we go. There's the idle, there's up, down, this one. I wanted to take this one. If maybe. What did this do? Oh, it just does that. Cool. That thing note up. Yeah, that one. I forgot. It's the PSYCH engine source code. I forgot about that. I'm terribly sorry. Okay. Default head, blah blah blah, idle, up. Oh, there they are. So sing note right. It, for some reason, it. What? Sub-selection tool maybe? No? I mean, sure, whatever. Let's go to Funkin Master then, which is the actual source code of the game. As you can see, it has everything you need. We're going in data assets. This one is the original FLA, so maybe, I don't know, maybe I could modify them? Hopefully, probably. If not, then I'm just gonna make a new document and do it there. Whatever. Okay. It's supposed to spell waste there, I suppose. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's just make a new one then. Okay, cool. Full HD, create, go back to data assets, take dat sync note right. What's this? Oh, sure, I mean, dat sync note right, there it is. Copy. If I paste it here. Oh, there we go. That signal right. Boof. We got it. And there it is. Alright. Wait, this is... Right, but for some reason it has 2 frames. It's not the one I'm looking for. Come on. Ah, come on. Just get rid of all that. You didn't want that one. You probably wanted left. Right? No, you can't just drag it. You have to do this. Okay, cool. All right. Let's take this frame because it has the glowing eyes and all that. We can duplicate this, right? We can duplicate it. Dado. Okay. In here, take Dado. Put him here. Wait, no. What am I doing? What am I even doing? We need a separate layer for Dado. Dado goes here. Good. And now, delete these frames. Poof. And these frames. Poof. So now you only have this frame. We can delete this guy. And pretty much everything that has to do with him. You just... And we only have... Oh, we can't do that because it reuses the assets, and yeah, anyway. So you have this guy. You're gonna have to export a... Should we export a sprite sheet or just... What if we export asset? What does it do? No, I don't know. Properties. We could export a sprite sheet because it only has 1 frame. Look at that. It's just 1. Hold on. Yeah, it's only 1 of them. Preview. Yeah, anyway. Okay, we could... let me just do that in my desktop. Let's call him Dadman. Export. Alright, you want one for boyfriend now. You don't need to save anything for that. Boyfriend assets. We take this one. For some reason in this document you can enter. Oh wait, this is the miss animation. Dear goodness. We don't want that, do we? We do not want the miss animation. We could take one of these actually. But I don't really want to, so I'm gonna take this guy. Boop, boop. And boop. There he is. Our natural talent. We're gonna take the first frame, no cap, delete everything else. There we go. BF node left. Yeah, you take this, export sprite sheet. There he is. Desktop, call him BFman. Export. Alright, that should be all. Now, if I'm right, they should be right here. You don't need the XMLs. You only need these 2 images. Control X. You probably don't need them in your desktop anyway. Okay. FNF's cool. You go to... Wait, actually you don't... Yeah, whatever, just save them wherever you have space for it. Let me just make a folder for it. Let's call them men. So there's BFman, goes in men, and Dadman also goes in men, right? No, I opened it. Men. We don't need these, right? Because I already finished the sprites that I had. I already did that. Alright? So we don't need any of that now. Good. So you have the men folder now. You can very well not save this. You don't need anything about it. I'm pretty sure I've done anything that needs to be done with Adobe. You could do it with Krita too, but you have to be kind of point blank accuracy thing, because you have to, so let's say this is a sprite sheet, and you have to take the exact portion of the sprite you want, because if you don't, it's gonna have the tiny little speck of another sprite to the right or to the left or whatever. So yeah, it's a little more tricky in Krita, but it's doable anyway. Now the next thing you want to do is open Krita, which I have right here. And while it opens, let's see how we make one of these images in the first place. So first, you have to make sure that like the image itself has these dimensions. It's 280 and 386. Those are the dimensions. Cap. It's gotta be that. Alright, so new file. I have the predefined one. It should be menu background. Yeah, it's this one. Create. Unlock the background. Delete the background. And you're left with this. You can just go crazy on it. Right? Right, of course you can go crazy on it. Okay. So what do you do with it? Well, obviously, you take the other two images and open them in Krita. You go in Men here. You take these two. So for the first one, right click on BFman, open with. Since Krita doesn't show up here for some apparent reason, but it shows up here, so let's go with that. Right click on this guy too. Where's open with? Oh, there it is. Choose another app. Krita. I was about to click on paint. I would have never forgiven myself if it did that. Okay. Now you take all, copy, and paste. Oh, look at that perfect fit. It fit perfectly. Perfection. Perfection. Okay. No, please. Cool. Let's take our dude. What do we do with him? What do? We move him. Actually, no, let's make him a little bigger, so like this, let's say, and we move him over here. How's that sound? No, not that one. This one. Man, I haven't worked with Krita for so long. Okay. Second thought, maybe I shouldn't have deleted the background, so I'm just gonna, where's the colors? There's the colors. Fill that up. Cool. Let's just, no, we're not making a new layer. We don't need to make a new layer, it just does that automatically. You take Daddy Dearest, copy, paste. Now he's a little too small, I know, or you can very well fix that. I hope this is accurate. It doesn't, could make boyfriend a little smaller, right? We could do that. Like that. What is this? Why is his shoe there? What? Why is his shoe there? I guess that kind of works. All right, and you want to make a new layer just for fun. Use the line tool. That is what I recommend. How thick is the line? Using, oh wait, it's white. We need, let's make it black. It's that. Oh wait, you could also go crazy on this kind of crap, and then fill it up with some nice little yellow. I hope this is yellow and not green. I hope I'm not messing them up. Do that. Oh, a cool thing you can do in Krita and not in Adobe, you can just fill shapes without them actually being ended. Like they're empty on these sides, but you can still fill them up because it's a canvas, it's not a document. And maybe you could also do this. Oh dear goodness, no. No. Wait, I have an idea. I have a really good idea. I hope it's a good idea. I hope this is purple, right? Yeah, it's purple. It's gotta be purple. Well, let's take the lightest. Boop. And now let's take our blue and do that. There we go. It's actually pretty decent. Hold on. No. Good. That should be enough. Now you obviously go to File, Export. You want to export it as a PNG. There it is. In FNFs. Let's go straight to mods. Actually, no. Let's go here in whatever, because this is pretty much where I do all my test stuff. So you go to mods, images. I think it's menu backgrounds, right? It should be menu backgrounds. We're saving it here anyway. If all right, we don't have a name. Let's name him the men. It's probably gonna have, yeah, it probably needs menu men. Save that. Okay. We're not saving BF man. We're not saving that man. I'm gonna be saving this one just to have it. But obviously it goes in there. Boop, 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 boop. No wait, it's in unfinished Krita files. Menu men. You can close Krita and you go to FNFs, whatever. Mods, images, menu backgrounds. Put your weak backgrounds here. They must start with menu underscore. There we go. So this is it. Now we go to PSYCH engine. Hold on. For some reason my volume is at 20. I usually keep it at 30. Good. Weak editor. We don't have. So we're just gonna make another weak one since we deleted the normal one. If you want that kind of background, you must first delete these. So if you leave it blank, there's nothing gonna be there. Tracks, weak, background asset. Boom. Men. We have the men. We're not gonna hide it from story mode because that's what we want to lo and behold. Weeks, right? Week 1. Skadoosh. Oh, the beat sync. Check this out. What's this? Pro battle. Check this slick background out. So yeah, that's how you make these. You could use pretty much any sprite for Daddy Dearest or Boyfriend or any other character. It's much easier if you make it with gacha characters because watch this. Where are they? Gacha stuffs. I have so many folders. I don't know where they are. Gacha stuff, there it is. So if you have it, gacha sprites, let's say Yappa Silent anyway, because this one's the one I used. Right, if you have the images like this, you can just put them in Krita and make them fit with this part. It's much easier if you don't have to crop them from the FLA beforehand. It's easier if you already have them like this, but it's doable anyway. So yeah, that's how you make these. Also, I happen to figure out what is up with some other stuffs in the week editor. So the week name so the display name, we call it Chad Week lol lamau laugh. No wait, hold on. Raffle emoji. So that's gonna be the name. And now the week name for reset score menu, you usually want it to be the same, but let's call it cry emoji haha XOX. Weak file, yeah, cool. No, wait. I'm dumb. Excuse me, I had to load the week. Now we want to do this again. So, Chad week lol mao. What else did I say? Rough emoji. Okay. And this one was cry emoji haha XOX. Now the week file stays the same. Now you're gonna save the week. Well, let's go to free play now here. It's Bobby Bo and Dad Battle. You could, and actually you can, change the color of the background, obviously. And you can also change the icon here, let's say mom, or GF probably, yeah. Or, do I have tick icons? I don't think I have the icons for tick, but I think I have the icons for who do I have the icons? Let me look through this real quickie. Babby. I forgot about Babby. Not doing it. Okay. Yeah, you can save the week. Oh, and by the way, you can have, like, for instance, this guy gonna be dad. This one, even if it's in the same week, let's make him Babby. And this one, Grunt, because it's the other one I have. So you can have different icons. Dad and dad. Save week, even though there's nothing really to save here. Yes. And now for the reset score, if y'all's wondering what that is, it's pretty much if you press R, you can reset its score. There we go. It goes back down to 0. Do I have any other scores? No, I don't. Okay. So that's pretty much everything I had to show in this tutorial. How long is it? Oh, I thought I saw 33 minutes, but it's 23. Thank goodness. I would have died if that was 33 minutes. I mean 34 anyway. Nothing really left to say except for the fact that, hold on. I have my phone here. Just in case at the time I'm recording this video, it's highly likely that the Adobe Sprites thing, how to make sprites FNF in Adobe Animate video, which is the most viewed video on my channel, is probably, right now it probably has over 10,000 views, being the first one to surpass that limit. I don't know if it's over it yet, but if not, in probably a day or maybe 2 days, it's gonna be there. So it seems y'all liked it, and people are asking me questions. I'm sometimes not able to answer, sometimes I am. I hope I'm helping even in the comment section there. Thanks to everyone leaving suggestions for videos, because I can't really find the time or the ideas to make all these tutorials myself. So this tutorial series probably wouldn't have been so big without y'all. So thank you so much for that. And thank you for actually not unsubscribing, even though I'm not uploading anything for a lot of time. Maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't even know. So, I don't know. This channel in less than a year made over 100 subscribers, almost 200 subscribers. It's almost 200 because when I started doing this series, I had like 36, so that's pretty impressive. Yeah, that would be all. Sorry for wasting your time on this unnecessary pep talk. Hope the tutorial was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.